Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, power locks, fog lights, security alarm, electronic stability control, power convenience group, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.